Between 100 to 150 people are feared dead after a glacier broke off at Joshimath in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district, triggering an avalanche and massive flooding of the Alaknanda and Dhauli-Ganga rivers on Sunday morning, forcing the evacuation of thousands and damaging the nearby Rishiganga and NTPC power plants. Disaster response teams have been deployed and the army has committed 4 columns. 3 helicopters are conducting aerial surveys. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Assam to campaign for the assembly polls, tweeted, "India stands with Uttarakhand and the nation prays for everyone's safety." 3 bodies have been recovered from the NTPC power plant so far. Uttarakhand Chief Secretary Om Prakash said that overall 100 to 150 are feared dead. Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat tweeted to say that teams from police, the army and the ITBP as well as from the national and state disaster response forces had been deployed and are doing their best to save the lives of the workers at sites affected by the disaster. Moving on to the next news. During a function to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of the Gujarat High Court, Supreme Court Justice M.R. Shah on Saturday described Prime Minister Narendra Modi as our most popular, loved, vibrant and visionary leader. I am proud and privileged to participate in the function to celebrate Diamond Jubilee of Gujarat High Court, and that too in the presence of our most popular, loved, vibrant and visionary leader, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Justice Shah said in his address. One of the essential features of the Democratic Republic established under the Indian Constitution is division of powers between Parliament, Executive and the Judiciary, Justice Shah added. Moving on to the next news. Speaking at Sonitpur in Assam, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that a conspiracy is being hatched to malign India and especially Indian tea. PM Modi met the claim citing some documents. The Prime Minister, reaching out to the tea garden workers of Assam and West Bengal, said they will seek answers from political parties that are allegedly backing those behind such machinations. Assam was known for tea and that the red tea of Sonitpur was unparalleled, PM Modi reiterated. I personally know about it, he said, adding that attempts were being made to run down the state's most famous product. PM Modi said some documents have come out that reveal that some people outside India are trying to malign India's tea and the nation's image associated with it. Every tea garden, every tea worker will seek answers from those political parties behind the conspirators. Moving on to the next news. Maharashtra Navnirman Sena Chief Raj Thackeray on Saturday said the central government should not have staked the reputations of such personalities like Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar by asking them to tweet in its support in the matter of the farmers' agitation. Referring specifically to Mr. Tendulkar and Ms. Mangeshkar, the MNS chief told reporters, "These are all big personalities. Asking them to tweet and use hashtags, the government should not have staked their reputations. The matter is something related to the government and not the nation. It's not as if the nation is facing danger from China or Pakistan," he added. The government should have stuck to folks like Akshay Kumar. Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar are Bharat Ratnas. They are simple people. The government asked them to tweet, so they did that and now they are being trolled, Mr. Thackeray said.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.